Stripes?
No stripes.
Stars?
No stripes.
Stripes. Okay.
No stripes.
Oh, okay. Can you show me one?
Right here. That's
Oh,
what
sharp.
you-
The sharp corner?
Uh-huh.
You want to show the camera your ice pack? Why did you have an ice pack today, Steph?
No plates.
You want to tell them why you got an ice pack?
Yeah. I got an ice pack back.
You did. You got an ice pack. Do you want to look in the camera and say why you got an ice pack? What happened?
I don't know what happened.
Well, you were on the
Train.
you're on the train at school, the playground, and then what happened?
I bumped my ear.
You bumped your ear. That's right.
But this is not quick.
What is that thing?
A pumpkin.
It is a pumpkin, huh? Nope. There it goes. Do you want to say hi to anybody still?
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Want to say hi to anybody else?
Hi, Mommy.
Ooh. I don't know if you want to bite that open, sweetie. Okay, you ready to say bye-bye?
Bye.
Okay. Goodbye, everybody.